Join me today. We're going on a live canvassing estimate. So let's go see what he's talking about.
Hey, Marcus, how you doing?
All right, good. Here's a car.
Thank you, my man.
Caught up on the job. It wasn't going. What are you concerned about? The outside or the inside?
Just the outside.
Oh, just the outside. I have insurance if you like to see that. Yeah, Merchantville Bowling Alley. Bowling tickets as I want. And I forgot to ask him because my friend wanted to go bowling. Oh, just the bottom floor? Okay. You know what? Doors. Me to actually have a conversation.
Right.
They said would have missed a lot of leads like I did before because unless you pay for the service.
Right.
Then they allow you to communicate. See, and then that's when the charges start coming out. Said they got some stuff with them. That with that, but
Sure.
you know, don't tell me the service. Just for the outside. Even though I explain a little more maybe tomorrow about why it would be. So this job is literally going to take me $120 for 1 hour. Is not. I'm not even opposed to rock and roll or heavy metal.
Mama chola, ahora vengo mama chola, mama chola, ahora vengo mama chola, mama chola, ahora vengo M.A.W mixes in the house.
M.A.W mixes in the house. M.A.W mixes in the house.
Away, where I'm going.
M.A.W. mixes.